Hey there, music lovers! It's awesome to have you here. Are you ready to learn an instrument? It's a fantastic journey. This guide will help you get started. We'll cover everything from choosing the right instrument to staying motivated. Learning an instrument is rewarding. It's fun and challenging. You can do it. Let's get started. This is going to be fun. Let's dive in. Choosing an instrument can be exciting. It's like opening a door to a new world of creativity and expression. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to pick up a new hobby, the journey of finding the right instrument is filled with possibilities. There are so many options, from string instruments like guitars and violins to wind instruments like flutes and saxophones. The choices are endless. Each instrument has its own unique sound and character, offering different ways to express yourself. For beginners, some instruments are easier to learn. Consider a ukulele. It's small and portable, making it a great choice for those who want to start with something simple yet versatile. The ukulele's cheerful sound can bring joy to any setting. Ukuleles are fun to play. They are perfect for sing-alongs and can be a great way to bond with family and friends. Plus, learning to play the ukulele can be a stepping stone to mastering other string instruments. They are great for learning chords. With just a few simple chords, you can play a wide variety of songs. There are plenty of resources available, from online tutorials to instructional books to help you get started. Keyboards are another good choice. They offer a wide range of sounds and are suitable for various music styles. Whether you're interested in classical music, pop, or electronic, a keyboard can cater to your musical tastes. They produce a variety of sounds, from piano tones to synthesized beats. Keyboards can mimic the sounds of many different instruments. This versatility makes them a valuable tool for any aspiring musician. Keyboards teach you about melody and rhythm. Practicing scales and learning to read sheet music can improve your understanding of music theory, which is beneficial for any musical journey. Think about the music you love. Your favorite genres and artists can guide you in choosing an instrument. If you love rock music, a guitar might be the perfect fit. If classical music is your passion, perhaps a violin or piano would be more suitable. Choose an instrument that excites you. The more you love the sound and feel of your instrument, the more motivated you'll be to practice and improve. Remember, the best instrument for you is the one that inspires you to play. Let's move on to setting up your practice space. Creating a comfortable and inspiring environment can make a big difference in your musical journey. A dedicated practice area with all your instruments and sheet music can help you stay organized and focused. Having a dedicated practice space is important. Choose a quiet area in your home. Make sure it's comfortable. Keep your instrument and materials organized. This will make practicing easier. A well-organized space helps you focus. A comfortable chair is essential. Good lighting is important too. Now, let's gather the tools you'll need. In addition to your instrument, you'll need a few essential tools to enhance your musical journey and ensure you make the most out of your practice sessions. A tuner is crucial for keeping your instrument in tune. Whether you're playing a guitar, violin, or any other instrument, being in tune is fundamental to producing a pleasant sound. This ensures you're playing the correct notes, which is essential for both solo practice and playing with others. A well-tuned instrument can make a significant difference in your overall performance. A metronome is helpful for developing your timing. It provides a steady beat to play along with, which is vital for maintaining rhythm and improving your sense of timing. Practicing with a metronome can help you stay on tempo, making your music sound more professional and polished. It's an indispensable tool for any musician aiming to improve their timing and rhythm. Music sheets are also important. They contain the written music you will be learning, providing a roadmap for your practice sessions. Reading music sheets helps you understand the structure of the piece, the notes, and the rhythm. It's like having a guide that leads you through the musical journey, ensuring you don't miss any important details. These tools will help you learn effectively. From tuners and metronomes to music sheets, each tool plays a crucial role in your development as a musician. Next, let's create a practice schedule. A well-structured practice schedule can help you stay organized and make consistent progress. It ensures that you dedicate time to different aspects of your practice, such as scales, pieces, and technical exercises. By following a schedule, you can track your progress and stay motivated, ultimately leading to musical success. Section 5. The practice routine. Consistency is key when learning an instrument. Create a practice schedule that works for you. Aim for short daily practice sessions. Even 15 to 30 minutes a day can make a difference. Choose a time when you can focus. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Regular practice will help you improve steadily. Now, let's explore online resources. Section 6. Online learning adventures. The internet offers a wealth of resources for learning music. There are countless websites and apps available. Many of them are free. YouTube is a great platform for finding tutorials. Online courses offer structured lessons. Explore different resources and find what works best for you. Online resources can supplement your learning. Let's move on to mastering basic techniques. Section 7. Starting with the basics. Begin by learning basic techniques. For guitar, this might involve learning chords. For piano, it might be scales and simple melodies. Focus on one technique at a time. Mastering the basics will lay a strong foundation. Don't be afraid to ask for help if needed. Once you have a grasp of the basics, you can start playing simple songs. Section 8. Playing your favorite tunes. Learning to play songs you love is, well, incredibly motivating. When you start with music that resonates with you, it makes the entire learning process more enjoyable and less of a chore. Start with simplified versions of your favorite tunes. This way, you can build your confidence and skills without feeling overwhelmed. There are plenty of resources available online, from video tutorials to sheet music and interactive apps. The internet is a treasure trove of learning materials. Playing familiar songs will keep you engaged. When you recognize the melody, it creates a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated to practice more. It's also, really rewarding to hear yourself play something recognizable. That moment when you nail a tune you love is priceless. Choose songs that you enjoy listening to. Your personal connection to the music will make practice sessions something to look forward to rather than a task to be completed. As you progress, you can gradually increase the difficulty. Challenge yourself with more complex pieces to keep your skills sharp and your interest piqued. Let's talk about tracking your progress. Keeping a record of your practice sessions and the songs you've mastered can be incredibly motivating. Use a journal or an app to log your practice time and the pieces you're working on. This will help you see how far you've come and set goals for the future. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Share your progress with friends or family and take pride in your achievements. Setting new challenges and goals will keep your musical journey exciting and fulfilling. Remember, the key is to enjoy the process and have fun with your music. Section 9. Charting your progress. Tracking your progress is essential for staying motivated. Keep a journal of your practice sessions. Note down the songs you're learning. Record yourself playing periodically. This will help you identify areas for improvement. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly encouraging. Let's move on to staying positive. Section 10. Keep the music playing. Learning an instrument takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and don't get discouraged. Celebrate small victories along the way. Remember why you started learning in the first place. Focus on the joy that music brings you. Surround yourself with supportive people. Keep practicing and never give up on your musical dreams. Let's conclude our journey. Section 11. Your musical journey begins. Congratulations on taking the first step. Learning an instrument is a wonderful endeavor. Remember to choose an instrument you love. Create a dedicated practice space and gather the necessary tools. Establish a consistent practice routine. Utilize online resources to enhance your learning. Enjoy the process and never stop exploring the world of music. Now go make some music.